So he's done it. Congratulations to Stradman, to James, for finally getting a hypercar. He's after buying a Bugatti Veyron.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Thank you very much for tuning into another episode. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do hit the subscribe button, help the channel grow, because I do give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. If anybody has lately subscribed, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the content. And by making the channel grow, guys, you know, the bigger we get, the more stuff I can give you. Hopefully I can give you some car reviews and some vlogs. And the main thing for this channel, obviously, is to get a project car. But I can't get a project car for you guys unless you support the channel and subscribe. And that's all I can do here is give my thoughts and opinions, because I watch all the videos you watch and I love chatting about these kind of things. And you know, it's just my thoughts and opinions. I want you to write back in the comments below, and I like chatting to you guys in the comments. That's what I'm here to do. And obviously, literally 20 minutes ago, Stradman has revealed his new hypercar. It's what we thought it was going to be. So on today's episode, we're going to be covering Stradman. DD have come up with some news. Tavarish after getting a new car, and a few others. So that's who we are going to be covering today. Again, guys, looking for suggestions. I want to buy a new hat while I'm doing these videos. Suggestions below. What hat should I get next from your favorite car YouTuber? Should I get goonzsquad or TJ Hunt, DD? Please put some suggestions below which hat. I want to get one or two different hats when I'm doing these videos, and I will be getting one obviously for the channel itself. Fortunately, my light broke. The wires after breaking on the plug. I'm gonna have to bring it in and probably get it fixed. So annoying. That's what happens when you buy stuff off eBay, but I will get it fixed. So in the meantime, you know, we won't have a light up Lamborghini sign until I can get it sorted. But that's neither here nor there. Let's get on with what we've basically James after releasing his latest video. So he's done it. Congratulations to Stradman, to James, for finally getting a hypercar. He's after buying a Bugatti Veyron. Look. I really felt like he was leaning towards the P1 until DD probably came out and said they want to get a P1. There was no way he was going to get a P1 the same as them. And he went down the Veyron route. But I could be wrong. Maybe again, he always had the Veyron in his heart, and that's what he went with. Just the expense it's going to cost him to run that car. But and he is selling his Ferrari. But look, guys, he's after doing it. And here's a quick clip of him unveiling the Bugatti Veyron for you.
We're talking 1,000 horsepower. We got 4 turbos, boys. 8-liter W16, the fastest production car in the world in 2005. Boys, we have.
There you go, guys. Congratulations, James. Let me know in the comments below what you think. It is a beautiful spec. It's white on front, going into the back is black. Love the wheels on it. I think he got it from Iluso in LA. I think I saw some sticker there saying Iluso. I must check their website and see if it was them who actually bought it off of. But lovely spec. Can't wait to see what he does to it. Interesting to see if he's going to wrap it purple. That's going to be an interesting one. But well aware. I mean, so happy for James. Like I think he said in his video when he uploaded the video of Bugatti Veyron doing 200 odd miles an hour, he was at 3,000 subs those many years ago, and look at him now. Hopefully someday I can get there. I doubt it very much, but I would love to. If I made the money after YouTube doing these videos to make project cars and have supercars, God, I would make some insane ones like Stradman. But yeah, congratulations, James. Looking forward to new content. Again, guys, comment below. Let me know what you think of the spec he's after getting. Links in the description below for his video if you want to see it. And so glad he got it. Delighted for him. And yeah, I mean, what a spec. What can you say? You know, kudos to him. And really looking forward to the future and see what this does for his channel, and him going forward is going to be unbelievable. So congratulations, James, and we shall move on to our next people. DD are in the news here again, guys. On that news, it's just my own thoughts and opinions, but they have come out with their latest video, which was today, which was around an hour or 2 hours ago. They are selling the tire slayer, the Huracan, and they revealed their P1 in their video yesterday. Yeah, so what do I think? Well, Damon has come out saying basically the reason he wants to sell their Huracan, the tire slayer, is because he wants to get an Evo, a Performante Evo, and put a Super Trofeo Evo kit on it. I mean, why not? You know, look, once you go at the hypercar level, you need to start going up and coming up with new fresh ideas for the channel. He's had the car 3 to 4 years. I think he has it up for sale for 200,000. You want to have some balls to be getting that car. That thing is crazy. I don't even know if I had the money would I buy that car. It's an absolute beast. You really want to learn. Really want to know your cars to be driving that thing. And again, they showed the P1 that they got. White with red interior, perfect spec. One of my favorite things on the P1 is the rear spoiler. The way it curves around. I love it. It's so cool. And it's just perfect spec. Exact spec I would go for, white with the red interior. You know, I do know Ireland Life Palace and Ice Cream Vlogs have reported saying it was for sale for 1.84 million. Supposedly, I think Damon did say in his video, correct me if I'm wrong, he did say that they got it for 1.7, but you know, that's what I think I heard. But yeah, look, I think hopefully they will go up in price, and looks like Vehicle Versions has eaten his hat, and that one has ended up being probably he'll never get a hypercar. His channel is in serious trouble, and you could hear the one or two sneaky remarks from Damon about people saying they're going to get one and didn't. Obviously, that was thrown at Vehicle Versions, but look, guys, it is what it is. It'll be interesting to see what they do going forward. They have plenty of projects to keep them entertained. I will miss the Tire Slayer. I'm sure it'll be snapped up pretty quickly. And yeah, look, let me know in the comments below. Are you glad they're selling the Tire Slayer? Do you want them to keep it? Personally, I do love the car. I love the Vorsteiner kit on it. But it's pretty cool that they're going to be upgrading and put a Super Trofeo kit on a Evo. So that's going to be another interesting project. It's like TJ Hunt says, keep moving forward, and that's what they're doing. That's what I love about DDE, and I can't wait to see the P1 content with it. Moving next on our list is actually Vehicle Versions, believe it or not. He is after getting a new wrap on his Huracan Evo, and yeah, I must say I'm pretty impressed. It's a lovely color. It's nearly close to the Tiffany blue that I love, but it's a Miami blue basically. So yeah, here's a quick clip of the new wrap on his Evo.
3, 2, 1, here it is.
So there you go, guys. What you think? I absolutely love it. I love the way it was wrapped. Love the way the front bumper is broken up with the black pieces as well. Gorgeous colour. I think I said in one of my videos, either go the Miami blue or keep the purple. They're the only two colours I go for. The white interior looks lovely with it. I absolutely love that wrap. It's like that Evo is probably one of the nicest out there. Unfortunately, it's with Vehicle Versions, but yeah, his channel is struggling big time. I don't know how he's going to recover that. He's pumping out content and a lot of regurgitating content, and people are just calling him out in it, so I don't know. We'll see what happens with Vehicle Versions, but I will give him props for this video. The wrap did come out amazing, and I'm pretty jealous. If I had that kind of money to do that, I would have done it as well, and it's a lovely car. So nice wrap, well done Vehicle Versions, and sure, look, we'll see what happens to him going forward indeed. Next on our list, guys, is going to be Tavarish. Tavarish is after coming out, and if you haven't heard from him, as usual, he does his disappearing act for like 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden he comes out with a bombshell. He's after buying an Aston Martin DBS. Definitely one of my favourite Aston Martins ever made. If I have the money, I would hands down buy one like that. I love them. I love the shape of them. It looks like he's after buying it for Car Trek 2, and I'm presuming they're finishing filming it. That's probably why he was gone for 2 weeks. Amazing spec. It'd be interesting to see if he keeps the stock or what he does to the car. So jealous that he actually got one. They're so nice. I think they're around 25,000 sterling in the UK, 25 to 30,000 sterling, or thereabouts. Would I get one over an R8 for that money? I'd probably get an R8, but DBS wouldn't be too far behind in that kind of money sense. So, yeah, interesting. Congratulations to the Tavarish. Everybody's buying cars in the YouTube supercar community on YouTube these days. So, yeah, but out of all the cars, I mean, that DBS is absolutely sweet. I love it, and I'm so jealous that maybe someday we can get one for the channel, but praying to God. So we'll move on to the last person on our list, and it's going to be effspot. Yes, effspot has been doing really well lately with his videos. And he went down to one of the car meets. Some of the specs of cars that were there were amazing. There was a Squadra Corsa there. There was I can't remember the guy's name that has the Bugatti Veyron, the grey one. I think it was a Super Sport. I'm not too sure. Just some of the specs. You're so lucky. If you're from the States or LA, please let me know and like what the car scene is like over there, because we don't have any of that kind of stuff here in Ireland. We just don't. It's non-existent. Like it's all Honda Civics and JDM cars here. But yeah, one thing though I want to bring up is he started manually learning in his Bazooka car. I can never pronounce the name of these bloody things, but he started learning, going into first gear and second, and he couldn't find third gear. With those old cars, they can be quite tricky. Us here in Europe, a lot of us, we nearly all drive manual. I've drove manual for God knows how long. I did live in Toronto, and I drove automatic at an Eclipse, and that was fun. But when you have a fun car, I would rather drive manual. If it's a sports car, I would rather manual. I only want automatic if it's something like, if it was a Rolls Royce or something like that. But it was just funny watching him trying to get into third gear, and him having to learn how to balance out the clutch with the accelerator. Because either the clutch is going to be short or it's going to be long when you're coming out. So you just got to figure out how to feather and balance them out and not come out too fast. And it's just, for you guys in North America, I'm presuming if you haven't driven manual before, you're terrified of it. It's not that hard. You just got to keep practicing and keep doing it. So yeah, fun times. A good video by effspot, and he's two really fun, hilarious cars that gets him a lot of views. So I definitely will be bringing up in future. Let's see how he goes with his manual driving as he goes along. I'll be keeping an eye on it. So that's everything for today, guys. Said I want to get that video today. As I said, I'm quarantined, going to be doing a video every day. Hopefully you enjoy this kind of stuff, and you'll support the channel and hit the like button, or even hit the subscribe button, and talk to me in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and I do chat back to you. So that's it for today. We'll have another video out tomorrow, so stay safe, peace out, and bye.